So I know that it's time to replace my blinds, but if you're a budget conscious person like I am, I want something that is affordable and I want something that is long lasting.
Yeah, I mean, these two blinds up here are the best blinds for budget conscious minds. First, we have the classic white mini blinds. Now these are so affordable, they're universal for any space, and look, no cords.
They are so easy to use and they're safe for kids. A simple lift of the finger pulls them up, and then to close them, just pull down. It really is that simple.
Yeah, and this isn't stripping anything or breaking anything. It's the mechanism up top that allows these blinds to be adjusted with ease. They are durable, warp resistant, very affordable. And look, they provide full privacy.
We want to emphasize that these are not cheap, but they are a very inexpensive product. All of our cordless products are built to last. So if you're looking for something simple, something basic just to have up, then cordless mini blinds are the way to go.
Next up, we have the custom faux wood blinds. Now these blinds are a higher quality compared to the classic white mini blinds, but they're still one of the most affordable blinds on the market.
And it's very common to have a faux wood blind in a home, but the difference here is in the detail. If you look at that finish, it is so beautiful. And also important to note, these are corded blinds. So they are going to have those cords on each side.
We do offer cordless faux wood blinds, but these corded blinds are cheaper. They're both easy to clean, easy to install, and very durable.
So if you want something that's affordable or would be the biggest bang for your buck, then the cordless mini blinds or the corded faux wood blinds would be the perfect fit.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We are Chicology, simple,
Affordable blinds.